how to fix if WhatsApp status is not showing. So if the status of your friends or your own status is not showing in WhatsApp, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm in the chat section of WhatsApp, from where you'll be able to see all of your conversation with your friends and anyone. In the upper section there are three options: chats, updates and call. If you tap over the updates, you'll be able to find your status and also your friend's status. But if you're unable to find that, then that's due to the various reason. So the first reason is due to weak internet connection. So if your internet connection is weak, then also your status may not load and you won't be able to see that. So for that, you just have to swipe down your notification panel and you have to check whether or not your network connection is stable. Once you're sure that your network connection is stable and it's good to work, then you will be able to fix this problem. But your network connection is good and you're still unable to fix that problem, then you just have to go back and you have to open up the webs over here, and you have to press and hold over WhatsApp and tap over the I option at right upper corner. Here you have to scroll down and go for the storage, and you just have to clear the cache at the bottom. By doing that, you'll be able to refresh your WhatsApp and the status will reload it and you'll be able to see that. That's the thing. And the last thing is, so sometimes if the person has hidden the status from you, then also you won't be able to see that. So that's the thing. So these are the common way to fix if the WhatsApp status is not showing. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.